You're back with the Home Entertainer. I'm Kathy Vegh. Today we are in Texas at the very exciting plant of Valley Dynamo, where Tornado products are produced. Or is it Tornado?
Tornado.
All right. Well, we have Dave Courington here, the man who knows everything about Valley Dynamo, and he's going to give us all the right answers. So, Dave, thanks for being with us. And
Thank you for coming down. I'm
Yeah.
glad you're here. You know, one of the things that's really helped in our consumer business is we're a commercial, we're a coin business, and everything we've learned from our coin business, we've taken that and we've put it in our consumer products. So your customers know they can count on that quality, that feel, that playability that they've always found in the local taverns and arcades from our product.
So you're going to show us a little tour of that?
For instance, with an air hockey.
Okay.
You know, the thing that you're talking air hockey, right? So it's all about air, and it's all about getting that puck in the hole. So we've taken our commercial knowledge and put it in our home table. For instance, the play field, the essential part of that table, keeps the air flowing, keeps the puck moving. We use the same technology, the same techniques on our consumer product that we do our coin product. All the grooves, the laminate play field, the small 035 holes that distribute that air evenly. It's not a fan, it's an industrial blower motor, and it's really what adds the action to the game. The aluminum rails that the puck deflects off of. Everything we've learned in the air hockey business, on the commercial side of the business, we've applied it to the home business.
So let me ask a question. You mentioned grooves in the playfield. I think I'm a little confused. All I know about are the little holes.
Well, that's the grooves of what you don't see. That bed is made out of 1 inch MDF, medium density fiberboard, and it's got grooves that run the entire length, 3/8 wide. In the center, those grooves run all the way through, only for about 6 inches. So our blower motor is attached to the bottom through a collector box, which distributes the air equally east and west and north and south, the entire length of the table.
Wow.
So again, it's the difference rather than just having the part with the little holes in it that you mentioned and building a cage around it with some fans blowing on it, and there's no control of the airflow. So we really control that airflow, and it keeps the flow of the game going too, you know. And one of the things I've noticed, and I often do when I'm at home retailers, we'll have some other tables and our tables, and I'll let people play. And on other tables, the pucks fly off all the time because they're so light. They have to be real light like that because they don't have good airflow. We use a heavy puck that keeps the puck on the table, and it really lets your customer enjoy a game of air hockey. You're selling entertainment, right?
Yeah, absolutely. We all know we love fun at home. However, we love quality too. So you mean to tell me that no matter which Valley Dynamo air hockey we get, all of them are going to have that same technology?
Yes, ma'am.
That's fantastic. So tell me a little bit about your foosballs, because I'll tell you what, we've had some fun foosball tournaments on your product. So we know they play well, but tell me why.
Well, it's going back years and years ago. You know, Tornado started in 1970. We've been in the foosball business. That's what brought me into the business. I started as a professional player and then got involved in putting tables out on the route.
I didn't know that.
Yep.
Cool.
So we've taken the just like with air hockey, all the stuff that we've learned on the commercial aspect, we've applied that to the home tables. Now, if you'll notice, everything from the play field up has all of our patented features. All the men, the bumpers, the ball, everything it's the same. The handles feel the same, that precision ground rod, the bearings feel the same. So it really gives you a player an opportunity, no matter which table they choose, be it the sport or entry level, which has the adjustable legs, all the way up to our T3000, our true commercial level table. They're all going to play the same. And then, like I said a minute ago, we're selling entertainment. So that's really what separated us, and it's what we learned on the commercial side. The precision of the height of the man from the play field. How critical it is for that rod to be straight across in a good 90-degree angle so they slide freely. The opening in the goal to be precise. All the markings on the table to be legible so a player can read that table, see the defense, and those are all visual aids to help him enjoy and play the game. So we've taken all that we've learned through the years from the coin side, and we've put it in our home tables.
That's exciting. So it sounds like consistency is really key at Valley Dynamo. Is that true?
It's very true, and it's it's what keeps us in the game.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we're building fun, and so without that consistency, without the customer's really ability to know that they're going to have that same feeling, the same experience from table to table to table, that's what really keeps us kind of head and shoulders above the rest.
All right, so I'm guessing that people at home, as well as myself, would really like to know the last mystery, which is, how do you get that ball to be fuzzy?
Well, I'll tell you, it's pretty tough. First of all, we have to get that ball perfectly round.
Okay.
And then get it fuzzy. You know, the ball, it's called foosball, right? We're talking about the ball's the focal point of the game.
Yep.
Without it being perfectly round, it really makes it difficult. The ball wobbles, it's like chasing an egg yolk around the table, you know. You have to have a good, consistent ball. And we invested in a machine a long time ago that was originally designed to grind O-rings for the space shuttle, not the one that blew up, the rest of them.
Okay, good.
Right.
That's comforting.
So the balls are they're very precise, within 10/1000ths of perfect roundness. But once they've been ground so round and smooth, they're much like a billiard ball, very slick. We have to give them some texture. So we have a diamond, we have a machine that we manufactured. It's a big round piece of pipe, very similar to a clothes dryer. We have doors on the front. We lined it with diamond encrusted sandpaper. We put the balls in, 450 balls at a time. It's a pretty precise formula. And those balls tumble in there for 5 hours to give them that cute pink fuzziness that the players love.
And accuracy. You know,
It's all part of the game.
that is the most important part. Well, this is really, I have to say, has been really fascinating and fun. Obviously, Valley Dynamo is known as the absolute leader in the industry when it comes to foosball and air hockey. But last question, where can we play? Where can we see tournaments? Is there anywhere online I can point my
Sure, you
friends
can
to?
go from a foosball tournament perspective. You can go to VIFA, Valley International Foosball Association.
Okay.
It's a league organization. You can go in there, you can see our national tournaments. We just had a tournament out in Las Vegas. We'll have a $100,000 World Championship here in Dallas in September. There's tournaments, just spoke with a friend of mine. They had a New York State Championship, $15,000 tournament. You can literally find a foosball tournament, $5,000 or more, somewhere in the U.S. every weekend. So there's a lot of foosball out there being played. It's a great place to start. It's in your home, and go out and win you some of that cash.
Yeah, awesome. Well, I love it. Thank you so much, Dave. This
Thanks
has
for
been
coming
so
down.
exciting.
Good to see you again.
It's my pleasure. And thank you at home for watching. Thanks for watching The Home Entertainer. I'm Kathy Vegh.